Here we have a Lunar Clubman SE, starting at the front of the van with the coupling head, with both of the levers in the upright position. It's ready to receive a tow ball like so. Once the tow ball is in place, the rear handle will drop down, and then bring the stabilisation handle down. And you'll notice that the red pin comes up with the green indicator showing you the tow ball is properly seated. When you're ready to release the tow ball, bring the first handle up, and the second, and the tow ball will release. Moving back, we have your breakaway cable, jockey wheel, and handbrake. Also at the front here we have your 13-pin plug. This controls your road lights, your fridge and your ATC. It will only do the fridge and the ATC as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. I'll now demonstrate the road lights and the ATC working. To start with, the ATC. Now, the road lights. As you can see, all the road lights are on and working. Now then, moving up from the A-frame into the gas locker, you have space for 2 gas bottles, and you have your bulkhead regulator, both suitable for propane and butane. Coming around to the side of the van, we have your freshwater inlet, your battery locker, your mains hookup, and your mover isolation switch, which I'll come back to at the end of the video. Then we have your wastewater outlet, your toilet flush fill, and your toilet cassette. Now then, moving inside your van, start off with the control panel up there. Start off with the power button to turn everything on. We have your lights button, pump, warning light. Let's turn it off. I'll come back to the pump in just a second, because before you put the pump on you need to put that yellow switch into the horizontal position. In the horizontal position the system is closed, in the vertical position it is draining. So with that in the horizontal position, we can turn your pump on, and you can run the water through on the cold side and the hot side, releasing all the air. This should take a few seconds on the cold side, it could take a few minutes on the hot side. You'll need to do that on both of your taps. And the shower before you can use your water system. Now with the water all run through, I'll demonstrate the consumer unit. So up there we have your 12-volt fuses for your road lights. Down here we have your 12-volt fuses for the van. Over here we have your MCBs and RCD. It is recommended that every time you plug into a new power supply you hit this yellow button to test the RCD for your safety. Over here we have your neon switches controlling your charger, space heater and water heater. If they are not lit up, the systems won't work. Over here we have your shutdown button to kill all 12-volt into the van. So now with that pressed and back on again, we'll have to turn the van back on up here, and everything will come back on as was. Also we have your Audi heating system. To use your Audi heating system, press the power button, the system will come on. Allow it to start up, and you can hit menu. At the top there you have your desired internal temperature. We have water heater off, water heater and room heater, and solely water heater. Down here we have your electric off, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt and 3 kilowatt. And down here we have your gas. Gas on and gas off. When you're done using the system, hit the power button and it will turn off. Also over here we have your fridge. Turn it off to start with. To turn the fridge on, press the power button. Then you can select the power supply that you would like to use. I don't have any gas in the van at the minute, so that is faulting. Same with the 12-volt. There you go. So you just click to select your power supply. Again, the 12-volt will only work when the car is plugged in, as long as your vehicle is wired correctly. And over this side, we have your temperature settings. When you're done using the fridge, hold the power button and it will turn off. Next to the fridge, we have your 3-burner hob with hot plate, your grill with grill pan and handle, and your oven. Behind me again, we have your microwave. This works the same as any domestic microwave would. Now moving back into the bathroom. To use your electric flush, simply press that blue button and the toilet will flush. Once you're done using the toilet, move this grey handle round and it will release all the liquid through to the cassette, and then you can close it again. I'll now go around and just show you all the lights working. You can see all the lights on and working. You will also find left in the van will be a warranty cover sheet. This shows you everything that is and is not covered under your warranty. And we also have a winterisation sheet on how to keep your van going in the colder months. Also give you a quick demonstration of the alarm. Power button, 1 beep on, 2 beeps off. I will now demonstrate the motor mover working. The motor mover, get your engagement bar onto the mover, bring it round until you hear it clunk, and then it is engaged. Now with the motor mover engaged, you can come to the front of the van and release the handbrake as the mover will hold the weight of the van. Turn on the isolation switch, like so. Grab your handset, turn the handset on with 2 presses of the power button, and then you're ready. Give it a second to... There we go. And then you can go forward, backwards, front end towards me, front end away from me, back end away from me, right back end towards me, and I don't know why that's not working. There we go. And back end away from me. Back end towards me, back end away from me. When you're done using the mover, 2 presses to turn the handset off. Apply your handbrake before disengaging the mover. Turn the isolation switch off, disengage the mover, and you're done. If you have any other questions, please refer to your book pack as there will be more information on your appliances in there. Thank you.